Three budget phones, almost the same price, but only one of them is actually the best. Which one would it be? Please join me as we look at the Infinix Hot 60i, Redmi 15C, and Spark 40. For design and build, Spark 40 is more flashy and modern. Looks like the iPhone 17 Pro. It tries to stand out. The Hot 60i looks clean and slightly more refined. And the Redmi 15C keeps things simple and minimal. It's a beautiful design also. So all three are classic builds, all lightweight. This is a little bit heavier though. So this really comes down to your taste. For display, all three give you a smooth experience with high refresh rate screens. So scrolling feels nice, fluid. Redmi 15C has a bigger 6.9-inch display, which is great for watching videos. Camera wise, all three phones come with 50MP camera. So they're supposed to give similar performance, right? So let's just see the camera. This is the Tecno Spark 40. I want to use this to check. Okay, this one adds a little bit more color to the item than this. Can you see? So two phones, different color. Which color appeals to you more? I am liking this Redmi 15C for this camera. This was my brethren 9GB. The colors are the same, pretty much the same. Let's see if we can get all three together in the screen. So for battery, this one has 6,000 mAh battery, so it is the biggest of them. This one has 5,200 mAh battery, but faster charging, 45 watts. And then this one has 5,120 battery, also 45 watts. So I believe this is going to charge faster because it's 45 watts and smaller battery. The Redmi has 33 watts charger for a 6,000 battery, so definitely it will be slower. But if you don't mind the time and you actually need power, then Redmi is the one for you. But if you need it to charge fast, you don't want it to delay at all, then it's between these two. They're basically the same thing coming to charging. And then there's this AI feature that is in the Infinix and the Tecno. Okay, you see the picture that we just took. So we want to delete this. Select brush and paint over the unwanted content. Let's see if we can remove this. Start. Let's see if it's going to do. Oh, just remove only that part. No. So we're going to want you to remove this entire charger. You'll be able to do something later now. Oh, you see, look at that. It's not very clean, but I mean, it's AI. It's done the job. And then this one too has this AI assistant here that is just by the side here. And just by the side here, this button, you can just give it a prompt. Open up my camera. And it does that. Okay. I want to take some nice pictures. And it does that. So that is an advantage for this function phones, Tecno and the Infinix. While this one also has that feature, you have to find it in somewhere. Not easily accessible, but it is there. So what really separates these phones? Spark 40 is balanced and feature packed. Redmi 15C is a battery king and simple, and also bigger in size. But 60i is more stylish with the extra features and batteries. Finally, it all boils down to you. Which one did you go for? If battery is your top priority, then you go for this, definitely. If you want a faster charging, then Spark 40 is your goal. But if you want something more stylish and the extra features, then Hot 60i is the one for it. At the end of the day, none of them is perfect. It just depends on what matters to you, what you want to get. I believe they can give you all what you want. Depends on what you decide to do with it. Thank you. So which one would you pick? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons like this. Bye.